everybody, Mrs. Keenan here, your new Edinburgh 1 teacher in September. I am really looking forward to meeting you all, getting to know you and getting on with our really fantastic work in Year 4. The next 2 weeks are going to be our transition work, where we get to know each other a little bit better, find some things out about one another and find out what it'll be like in Year 4. There will be a new video each day and it'll always be something different. So one day it might be something creative, one day it might be some writing, another day it might be some maths or some reading. Just tune in each day and you will see what's going to happen. So let's get started with today's work. So what happens in Year 4? Well, we do all of the same subjects that we did in Year 3. In maths, we will learn some new things like decimals and area and perimeter, but we'll also revisit some of the things that you've learnt before, just with some larger numbers. We need to know all of our times tables to 12 times 12 by heart. That would be a really great thing for you to start practicing over the summer holidays. We will build on our writing skills, start to develop our sentences even better. We only do one PE lesson in school. Our other PE lesson is swimming, because in Year 4 we learn how to swim and we keep ourselves safe around water. In Year 4 we work together as a class, we support each other because we're much more grown up and we're much more independent by the time we get to Year 4. And most importantly, we smile, we have fun, and we don't worry when we make a mistake. We just learn from it, pick ourselves up and carry on. So lots of it will be quite similar to what it was like in Year 3. So don't worry too much about it now. So let's find out a little bit about me, first of all. So this is a letter about myself. Hello, Edinburgh 1 children. My name is Mrs. Keenan and I will be your new teacher in September. I have been in Year 4 for quite a while now, so I know how it works and what we need to do. The thing I love most about Year 4 is how grown up you all become over the year. It's wonderful to see everybody get a little bit braver and be willing to have a go at things. I know you will all do that during your time in Year 4 too. I have 2 children at home called Daniel and Amy, and they are both going to be at secondary school in September. We don't have any pets, but we do still have 1 fish left swimming in our fish tank. One of my favourite things to do is go on holiday. This year that has not been possible, but I know that one day I will be able to go and see places in the world again. I'm sure there are some things you feel sad about missing too, but there is also lots to look forward to enjoying over the summer. I would love to hear what you enjoy doing in your free time. One thing I do out of school is that I sing in a choir. I don't think I'm a very good singer, but it doesn't matter because when everybody sings together it sounds lovely. The best part is learning new things with other people. I also like to do crafts and make cards. During lockdown, I set myself a goal to run a 5K and it was very tough, but I have achieved it now and I'm going to try and keep on running all through the summer. I am looking forward to meeting you all and getting to find out lots more about each of you. From Mrs. Keenan. So now it's over to you. It's your turn to write a letter about yourself to me. Try to write at least 3 paragraphs, and I've given you an example of what to include. Okay, so in your first paragraph, I want you to introduce yourself and your household. Who do you live with? What's your house like? Do you have pets? What's your garden like? Who's in your family? All those kind of things. In the second paragraph, I want you to think about your free time. What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What do you like to play with? What types of things do you like to read or watch? And in your third paragraph, I want you to do a little bit about Year 4 and your hopes. What are you looking forward to in Year 4? What are you worried about? What goals and hopes are you going to set yourself this year? Okay, so that's an example of how you can set out your letter. Remember to start with Dear Mrs. Keenan, and then on the next line, your first paragraph will be all about yourself and your family and your house. The second paragraph will be about what you like to do in your free time and your hobbies. And the third paragraph will be about what you're looking forward to in year 4. Okay, so you can pause the video on this page if you need to remind yourself of what I want you to include. Okay, please try and use your best handwriting when you write your letter to me. I would love to see your letters. You can email them to me. Your parents or grown-ups should have my email address in the letter with your report. You can include any questions you might still have, and I will try and answer them for you. If you are struggling to write any of the letter, you can draw me a picture of yourself and what you enjoy too. I can't wait to find out more about you. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow for our next transition video, getting ourselves ready for year 4. Bye for now, everyone.